Hi there, this is my genuine review on the Marlive automated trading system, MATS, and my name is Paul Hardingham from paulhardingham.com. Enjoy this review. Okay, so the first red flag is the domain registration, Marlive. We go to who.ears and we look for marlive.com, and we can see this was registered on the 7th of May 2015. They've actually bothered to register it for 3 years. They believe it's going to last for a little while. I'm not sure. But we see here in the actual raw register data, this is all protected, and surprise, surprise, it's Panama, a classic place to hide domain registrations. There's absolutely no genuine contact details on here whatsoever. If this was a legitimate business, they would have no issue at all in giving their registration details of the domain name. So that's the first and massive big red flag. Now the second red flag, we have a very nice looking website. That's not a red flag in itself, it's a nice looking website, and that's to distract us, but very simple to put together websites that look good these days, so let's not get distracted by that. What I want to show as the second red flag is their actual address. The address they give for Marlive Limited is 83 Baker Street, London, W1U6AG. Very simple search, go to Google, it's our friend, and we can find that we have 83 Baker Street, London is a serviced office space and meeting rooms. In other words, not real offices, there's no employees there, they're serviced, which are staff. It's just a temporary resident address, not a resident address, but a temporary address for these offices. 83 Baker Street means companies come and go, and if you're wanting to set up a fake business, then you would use a serviced office space. So again, big red flag number two, it's not a genuine office, not with real employees, it's fake. Red flag number three, they've got a company registration here, Marlive Limited. So if we go to companycheck.co.uk and look up Marlive Limited, and we can do a check on this company registration, being as it's registered in the UK, we can see here, first of all, let's just wait for these page to update. Cash not applicable, net worth not applicable, assets not applicable, liabilities not applicable. This is because it's a brand new company, and this was registered, we will find, hopefully on this page, registered at the same time the website was registered. So again, no history here, no verifiable information here. It's a company, you can buy a company name for £10–20, set up a company, no problem at all. So we've got no historical history here. Let's go and have a quick look at the directors as well. We have one director of the company. Most legitimate companies will have more than one director. So that again is another red flag. And this is Nathan Cole, back again from the 8th of May 2015, Nathan Cole. We have no other information on Nathan Cole whatsoever. Like I said, most companies that we're talking, these sorts of profits that are supposedly made by Marlive, there'll be multiple directors, there'll be plenty of background check we can do on this. Again, Nathan Cole, you won't find any information on him. So another big red flag, the actual company, limited company at 83 Baker Street, very brand new and doesn't look like a legitimate business. Next red flag is that they don't accept PayPal, they don't accept MasterCard or Visa. The only methods they accept are Perfect Money, Payeer and Bitcoin. All the sort of payment processes you would expect from a scam artist rather than a genuine legitimate business. Okay, another red flag for Marlive is the fake trade results here. So we're on their website, it's 13:23 GMT here at the moment, and we'll see that every minute it comes through a load of closing trades. So you look at this column here, so it's currently 13:22.19 was the last trading results. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 loads of them coming in. But what happens here, these fake results, we can see they do actually they are picking prices out of the market. But what they're doing here is showing the closing trades. Here we go, we get another set of updates coming through here. They're showing their closing trades, or supposedly closing trades, but you'll notice if you were to look at this, if you go to the charts and look at, for instance, the USD versus Canada, that is the price at 13.23, that is the correct price. But you'll go back to a random time previously where they can see that they've got a guaranteed gain. So they've gone back to 11.59.17, So they've given a gain of profit of 0.43, supposedly. But these are all the closing trades. You never get to see the trades when they're being entered into the market. You only ever see them when they're supposedly exiting the market. So these are all just, as far as I can tell, fake trades here. And every single minute you'll get another update. So you'll be looking for the figures, then they'll have jumped down, and you'll be thinking, oh, where's the next figures? If you're trying to work out the trades and actually see if they're real trades, they're not. Here we go. Here's the next set coming through. A whole bunch of them again, pretty much every currency pair. It's just automatic software which goes and looks for the current price on this one, GBP Canada. That's the current price. All it does is quote the current price, then go back at some random point where they can see there's a profit. So you can see these profits, and there's no genuine Forex trading would continue to give such consistent profits. If you look at the professional traders, it's a very, very difficult thing to do. And you scroll through here, profit, 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 every single minute. Totally unbelievable, and that's another red flag for you as to why this is fake trading. Another warning red flag here, we look at the trading results page and we can go back and we can look at November, December, and we'll see this is what's called a high yield investment program, which are basically all scams. And we've got some lovely made up figures here. So if we're looking at December, the gains they made on Tuesday, 3.83% in a single day, 4% on a single day, 3.2% on a single day. If you actually calculate, if you had 3% gain per day, which is low for this result here for December, but if you had 3% gain per day and you did that for just 300 days, you would actually be earning over 3 million% in 300 days. Now, clearly, there are no companies earning 3 million% on trading in the Forex markets in 300 days. That would very, very, very rapidly become the world's biggest company and everybody would know about it. These are clearly fake figures again, just to lure you in to take money in a Ponzi scheme. They'll pay out results to early investors, so people will be seeing some payouts. That doesn't mean it's legitimate. That just simply means they're taking more money from more people to pay out a few people who get in early at the top. Okay, so let's call the contact number they've got as well, see if this gives us any other indications. So we've got the number in here. Let's see how they answer the phone. Now this is currently 1:30 in the afternoon, GMT, so they operate supposedly from 83 Baker Street, so there should be some good response, good answer, live people, especially a company producing the sort of returns they're producing. Let's give them a call and see what happens.
Thank you for calling. To speak to a representative, press 0.
Okay, let's press 0.
Thank you for calling the operator. Please leave a message and we'll return your call shortly.
Well, no big surprises there. They didn't answer in a company name. It's an answer machine message. There's no one actually there. So if you invest money with this, you're not going to get it back. So please don't invest money. There's another reason that this is a scam. They're totally uncontactable. Here's another red flag. Who are Marlive Limited? On their About Us page, there's some lovely words here, but no specific information. There's no information about who the actual people are, what they've been doing, are they specific, what is their trading methodology, anything like that. It's just generic warm words. Again, you wouldn't find that on a genuine business. You would find details about the people involved. You'd have proper contact details and everything. So again, that's just fake warm words there, mean absolutely nothing. Here's another thing, another reason why it's a red flag. Let's go to their YouTube channel. And this is the Marlive Automated Forex Trading YouTube channel. They've got one video on there which shows some of their software, which they've obviously developed, but there's nothing else on here whatsoever. There's only 119 subscribers to the channel. Considering that this is such a big company, supposedly, that's a very small number of subscribers to the channel. But the other thing which concerns me about this, if we look at the About Us page, we can see here they've had a few views, joined 8th of November, so it's all very fresh. But look here, related channels. Andres Nawralski. Doesn't sound a particularly British name considering they're at 83 Baker Street, London. If we go and look at Andre's channel, which is related, we can see here that we have a fake model photograph here. We can see some information here from Andrev, and here we can see bank will give you 2% per year. Here you'll get 4% daily. As I've said on other fake reviews, 4% daily adds up to a ridiculously insane amount, which is totally fake. We can also see other videos that Andres has here. One of them, which I was looking at here, is Recyclix 20 euros bonus. Now I've done some review on Recyclix as well. That again is another Ponzi, well organized Ponzi, but it's a Ponzi scheme. It's a fake trading opportunity. And so again, who is this Andres? It raises a big red flag warning sign. This could actually be the person who is involved and has created part of the MyLife thing, because we're never going to find out who that person is. It'd be up to the legal people to catch that. But hopefully that's given you enough information here, enough reasons why this is fake. You should not put your money into MyLife. I wish you all the best. I hope this has been a useful review. Please do comment. Please pass your comments. If you have some reasons why you think I'm wrong on this, I'd love to hear those. Please don't just say, though, I've got my payout, therefore it's true. We need real evidence of real trading. We need real offices. We need real contacts. We need all of these red flags answering. Clearly, it's a fake business, but I'd love to hear your feedback. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. Hope you found this useful. Please feel free to share this video as well. If someone is trying to encourage you to get involved with MyLife, feel free to please pass this video on to them so they can see this, so they can ask questions themselves. I want to help as many people as possible keep their money in their pockets. It's hard-earned cash. Don't let the scammers, don't let the fraudsters get your money. They don't deserve it. What they deserve is a good prison sentence. Thanks for watching.